Hi guys, it's Kathleen Egan from the Yoga Space in Hilversum. How are you feeling today? Do you feel a little silly? Or do you feel a little sleepy? Can you check in with your body and see how you're feeling today? Yeah. I'd like to invite you to do a little practice with me because it's spring at the moment, so I thought we would do a little bit of a seed practice. So can you find yourself in a comfortable seat? Maybe sit down on a chair or on the ground. Maybe you'd even like to lie down on the ground. It's up to you. So the invitation is there to just sit down on the ground, and then if you'd like to, maybe close your eyes or maybe have a just gentle gaze towards something. And then notice your breath. And with every inhale, you can feel your lungs filling up your body. And with every exhale, you feel a little bit more relaxed. You can breathe in and notice the air filling up your body. And exhale, you feel a little bit more relaxed. Inhaling, filling up. And exhale, you feel a little more relaxed. Now think of a word that makes you really happy. Maybe that word is butterfly. Maybe it's flowers. Maybe your word is love. And just focus on that word. And with every time you breathe in, say the word to yourself. And every time you exhale or you breathe out, just relax down a little more. So breathe in the happy word. And then let the word just relax your body down a little more. Breathe in the happy word. And relax down. Now can you imagine taking this happy word and planting it into your heart? Just plant it like you would a little seed and place it into your heart. And repeat the word over and over again every time you breathe in. So breathe in your happy word. And then let that word snuggle a little further into your heart. Breathe in your happy word. And let the air out and let that word settle down into your heart. And every time you breathe in the word and then breathe out, letting the word settle down, imagine that you're watering that word like you would a little seed. And the word starts to grow. It gives shoots down into your little roots down into your tummy, making you feel happy in your tummy. And maybe your happiness is a flower or a piece of fruit that's blooming out and spreading through your whole chest. Nice, happy, content chest. And just watch and allow this beautiful, happy word to flow through your body and to grow and grow. Just notice the word growing through your belly, through your back, maybe down your legs. You notice the happy word flowing through your shoulders, down your arms. Maybe it flows through, it grows through up your neck and finding happiness in your face and your head. Maybe a smile blossoms out on your face. Just let your happiness grow through your body. When you're ready, but not before, you can gently open your eyes and check in with your body and see how you feel now. Maybe you feel a little different than you did a few moments ago. Maybe you can practice this meditation once a day and see how your body feels after that. And see how you feel when you're talking to everyone in your family. Have a really nice week, guys, and I hope to see lots of peaceful happiness seeds growing through all of my happy yogis. All the good things in me, recognize all the good things in you. Have a wonderful week, guys. Bye.